Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize images in your WordPress website for better speed and performance. Now let me log in into my WordPress website. Just you can add wp-admin to log in into your WordPress website. Now let me click on login button and then in the dashboard let me go in the plugin sections. On the left side here you can see menu, then click here add new plugin. So you can install any of the plugin from WordPress plugin library, and here you can type a keyword Robin, then you will get a free plugin. Here you can see this one, Robin Image Optimizer plugin. Just you can install this plugin, and here you can see plugin have 1 lakh plus active installations and 4.9 ratings. You can activate this plugin. And now let's go to plugin settings. Let me scroll down this one, just click on settings, and now scroll down. Here you can see it has found 51 images, so we have 1000 tokens for free, and if you want to unlimit then you can upgrade the premium version. So now you can simply go and click on optimize button, then you can schedule optimization as well as you can optimize now. Simply click here, and here you can see it has started working. You can scroll up and you can go to plugin settings, and here you can see you will get all of the features. So these are 5 type of compression modes. So you can enable custom mode, lossless, lossy, high, G page speed. G means Google page speed. So first one is recommended, and you can enable auto optimization on upload. You can turn it on. You can backup images so that you can get original images back. You can also turn on if you want to show error log. And if you want to convert your images into WebP format, then you can enable this option, but that's available in Pro version. So you will have a backup option. You can restore and then scroll down. So if you want to resize large images, just you can enable, and you can select custom width and height. Then scroll down, and here you can select the image format. So select the images format that you have in your website. For example, if you don't have GIF format, then you should uncheck this one. Then you can select this, and then again scroll down. You can schedule optimization in the background, and here you can see this feature is available in Pro version. So a great image optimization plugin. After that, just you can click on save. So to check your website speed, just you can go on GTmetrix, and here you can see this one. Using this tool you can detect your website speed and performance. Just you can copy and add your website link here, then click on analyze button. So today I have reached my limit, so that's why here you can see I need to upgrade this tool. So you can check it 5 to 10 times one day. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube